Hi friends, today I am here with a new magic in maths. Let's begin with the magic. First I will show you the things that are required for this magic, for this experiment. Let's begin with it. Friends, you may see that these are 9 chits I have taken. In each chit there is a number. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8 and this is 9. Now I have taken one rough paper for calculation and 4 black strips, and I have taken one paper in which 6 is written. I have 6 is written. Now if I choose any one chit from anywhere, if I choose, suppose this chit, this is 5 because this is 5. Now I will hide the rows and columns from which 5 chit belongs. So it belongs from this column. So vertically I will hide this column, and horizontally I will hide the row from, because the 5 belongs from this row and this column. Now 4 chits are left. 1, this, 2, this, 3, this, 4, this. Now let's begin again. If I choose any again one chit, if I choose, suppose this is 1. Again 1 belongs from this row and from this column. Again we will hide the row and column of one chit. So this and this, only the chit which is left is this. Now this is 9. Now I will place all the 3 chits that I have chosen in a surface. These are 1, 5 and 9. Coming to a rough paper, if I write 1 plus 5 plus 9, the sum will be 15. 15 is if I write in the form 1 plus 5, this is 6. So the 6 is already here in this chit. So this is only the magic that I am trying to show by this experiment. Taking another example, I will clear the surface. Again I will put up the setup in that form only. I will place 1 here, again 5 in this form, and 9 in this form. Again I will take out one chit from anywhere. Suppose this is, I take out this chit, this is 4. Now I will hide the rows and columns from which number 4th chit belongs. So this is column and this is row. Now 4 chits are left, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again I will take out any one chit. Suppose I have taken out this. Randomly you can take out any chit. This is 3. Now I will hide 3, third, this, again I will hide this column. Only one chit is left. Again I will pull out this chit, and this is 8. So now again I'll see that I have taken out 4, 3 and 8. Again I will write here 4 plus 3 plus 8. Again it is 15. So this 15 and 15 can be written in the form 1 plus 5. This is 6. Again 6 is the number. This is only the thing that is hidden in this experiment, that friends, if you follow this trick, always 6 will come as the answer. So you can share this magic with your friends and with your known people. Thank you friends.